Hello everyone, this drink has a lot of benefits, so let's start making. I'll be using lemon to make this recipe. You can use lime as well, but I normally use lemon to make this recipe. So I'm going to cut my lemon into, I'm going to slice it. Please remember to wash your fruits and vegetables anytime you are making any recipe. So I'm going to add it into a saucepan. You can use any pot you feel like using. So I'm using saucepan. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of cloves. I'll be using cinnamon. You can use the powder cinnamon or you can use the stick cinnamon. I'll be using the stick cinnamon. Then I'm going to add water. I'm going to put it on the stove top and cook until it boils. So this is the outcome. So after cooking, you just need to reduce the stove, that is switch off the cooker and allow it to cool in a couple of minutes. Then you go ahead and save. The benefit of this drink, is also perfect and it's also healthy for cough and flu. It's good for weight loss if you have any stomach pain or stomach the indigestion. This drink is also perfect for it. I remember having this recipe prepared by my mom, and you just need to add honey to fasten the ingredients and make it very effective for weight loss. As I said, this recipe is very good and it's very healthy. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. Please, if you really enjoyed this video, remember to give us a like, a comment, and do not forget to share this recipe. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to encourage me to do more of this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time, and please be safe.